all about Doughnut. 1. The history of doughnuts can be traced first to ancient Greece and Rome, where at that time there was fried dough that was enjoyed with honey and sauce. 2. Dutch settlers brought oil cakes in the 18th century, which were the forerunners of modern doughnuts. 3. The first Doughnut Day was created in 1938. This donut holiday celebration aims to appreciate the history of doughnuts themselves and appreciate the workers who make and serve doughnuts. 4. There is a term doughnut economy in 2013 which was coined by an economist named Kate Raworth. This doughnut economy has several important concepts that lead to mass production, efficiency, and market accessibility. 5. The first doughnut machine was created in 1920 by Adolf Levitt. This machine made the process of making doughnuts easier so that they were made faster and more efficiently. 6. There is doughnut-themed art that uses doughnuts as objects to explore the beauty and visual appeal of doughnuts. 7. Doughnuts have many different flavors and types. Each type and flavor has its own uniqueness. The calorie intake from one doughnut is about 200 until 300. Not only is it very high in trans fat, which predisposes to heart attack, but it is also very sugary, predisposing to diabetes when taken in large amounts. 8. There is a restaurant innovation that uses doughnuts as burger patties so they contain a sweet and savory taste, and there are donut ice cream sandwiches which are popular and used as a dessert. 9. The largest donut ever made in New York in 1993 weighed more than 1.7 tons. 10. The most expensive donut in the world costs more than $1,000. There are several things that make these donuts expensive, including: A. This donut is coated in 24-karat gold and filled with Dom Pérignon jelly. B. These donuts are made from rare chocolate and cocoa. C. This donut uses Madagascar vanilla cream, which is renowned for its exceptional quality. D. This donut is served sprinkled with black truffle and drizzled with honey taken from a rare flower in New Zealand.